Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're doing well and that you've been practicing the Swahili we've learned so far. In our previous lessons, we learned how to talk about ourselves and another person using nina and una. For example, ninakula, which means I am eating. Unakula, which means you are eating. Today, we are taking the next step. We are going to learn how to talk about he or she and we. Now, by the end of this video, you will learn how to say he is eating, she is studying, we are going, or even we are drinking. Are you ready? Good, let's begin. We will start with he or she. In Swahili, the same word is used for both he and she. So that's good news because you only need to learn one pattern. So the subject prefix for he or she is a, the letter a. Good. Now let's practice with some everyday verbs. We will start with the verb kula, which means to eat. Kula. Good. Listen carefully. Anakula. This means he or she is eating. So repeat after me. Anakula. One more time. Anakula. Good job. Let's do a quick comparison from the previous videos. So we can say ninakula, I am eating. Unakula, you are eating. And anakula, he or she is eating. Can you hear the difference? Now let's say them together. Ninakula. Unakula. Anakula. Wonderful. The next verb is kunywa, to drink. Listen carefully. Anakunywa. He is drinking or she is drinking. So I want you to repeat after me. Anakunywa. One more time. Anakunywa. Great job. So for example, you can say something like anakunywa maji. He or she is drinking water. So I want you to repeat after me again. Anakunywa maji. One more time. Anakunywa maji. Good job. Another verb is kuenda, to go. Kuenda. Good. So listen. Anaenda. He or she is going. So repeat after me. Anaenda. One more time. Anaenda. Good. So you can give an example like anaenda kazini. He or she is going to work. So repeat after me. Anaenda kazini. One more time. Anaenda kazini. Good job. The other verb is kufanya, to do. Kufanya. Good. So listen. Anafanya. He or she is doing. Now I want you to repeat after me. Anafanya. One more time. Anafanya. Good. He or she is doing. So you can give an example like anafanya kazi. Repeat after me. Anafanya kazi. Good. That simply means he or she is working. Good job. Now let's learn we. When we want to talk about ourselves and other people together, we use tu as the subject prefix. For example, if we want to say we are eating, we can say tunakula. Repeat after me. Tunakula. One more time. Tunakula. So you can give an example like Tunakula wali. We are eating rice. So repeat after me. Tunakula wali. One more time. Tunakula wali. Good job. Now the next example is kunywa, to drink. Listen. Tunakunywa. We are drinking. So repeat after me. Tunakunywa. One more time. Tunakunywa. Good. So you can say something like tunakunywa maji. So tunakunywa maji means we are drinking water. So repeat after me. Tunakunywa maji. One more time. Tunakunywa maji. Nice. Another verb is kusoma. Kusoma means to study. Now listen. Tunasoma. We are studying. So I want you to repeat after me. Tunasoma. One more time. Tunasoma. Excellent. You can say something like Tunasoma Kiswahili. We are studying Swahili. So repeat after me. Tunasoma Kiswahili. One more time. Tunasoma Kiswahili. Good. Lastly, kufanya, which means to do. So listen. Tunafanya. We are doing. Repeat after me. Tunafanya. One more time. Tunafanya. Excellent. So you can say something like this. Tunafanya kazi. We are working. So repeat after me. Tunafanya kazi. One more time. Tunafanya kazi. Excellent. Now let's have a quick review of what we've learned today. I will say the sentences in English and you can try to translate them before I give you the answer. Are you ready? Good. He or she is eating. Anakula. Good. We are eating. Tunakula. Excellent. He or she is drinking. Anakunywa. Perfect. He or she is studying. Anasoma. Good job. We are studying. Tunasoma. Perfect. He is working. Anafanya kazi. Good job. We are working. Tunafanya kazi. Perfect. Nicely done. Having learned that, I want to give you a challenge. I want you to write 2 sentences in the comment section using your favorite verb from today's lesson, and I will be responding to your comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who wants to learn Swahili. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. See you in the next lesson. Kwaheri.